Yo, what's going on today, guys? We're back with another troubleshooting project. And here, let's see what we have. PC3 cannot reach the other end devices. You have 6 minutes to troubleshoot and figure out the issue. Okay. So I already have a little timer ready for us. And let's start now. So first, we got to see if we can ping. It might be lying to us because previously everything has already been pre-configured for us. So let's ping. See what this IP address is. Reachable. So usually when a destination host is unreachable, I think that just means that either this wire right here, this connection right here, it's not, this connection right here, let's actually look at it. Okay, so these are VLANs. We have the VLANs. And the VLANs aren't here. We have none of those IP addresses aren't here. So I know exactly what we can do. We can go here and set a static route. Instead of putting all of them separate, we're going to do a summary route, which a summary route is basically all three of these VLAN routes summed up. And let's see if that fixes it. Then the next hop IP address. Next hop IP address 10.0.0.2. Okay. I think much time we got 2 minutes. See if we can ping. That should work. So as you can see, guys, all we were missing was a static route. So let's try another one. Yep. So guys, that was a quick one. Quick little troubleshooting, figuring out the issue. And I finished it in approximately about 4 minutes. So it's pretty well. You guys have a blessed one. Peace out.